Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and this is a piece which is finished today, and I have finished it with pleasure. And so this is a Baktus, hence the name of this video, because Baktus is in fact what shawl is and what scarf is. It's something in the middle, and it's worn usually around your neck to keep you warm in winters and springs and autumns. And this in particular is knitted with acrylic yarn, multicolored acrylic yarn. As you can see, it has almost like ocean color. As you can see, the stripes slightly changing into the white and blue and light blue and darker blue. I love it so much. Look how nice it actually turned out, these lines. And this is the edge, and the edge, I mean the beginning actually. This is where I start my loops. I started 7 loops, and then I started to add about 1 extra loop on both sides, right and left. And as you knit, as you go along, it just moves and moves and builds up to a point which is this long in the end. So it's triangular and it's this long. And as you can see, I've used nice edging here, nice stitching, and it's fantastic. It's purl side on each side, on the outer side and inside out. And you can see these strings, I mean this straps, maybe I can say it, or strands. Yeah, that's right. These strands are helping you to wrap it around your neck and to fix it in there, fix it in the place, so you wear the square part, this bit in front, to cover your chest so it's warm and nice and cozy in winter, and the triangular ends go around your neck just like so, like so. And then you adjust it and make a knot at the front with this particular straps, like this, for example. Yeah, the straps I've made with a dolly doll. So this comes from inside, and you knit around. Before this video you've seen actually how I was doing it. So it goes in like so, and then it comes out here, and as you work around, the whole thing starts to grow and comes out from the bottom of this tool. This tool could be bought in different versions. It could be plastic made. This one in particular is wooden, colored wood, which is a classical style. As you can see, the shape and the face, it's all classical. I bought it about 10 years ago, and I started to use it just now. So this year I started to use quite a lot, but it's from 10 years ago when I purchased this, so I'm not sure whether you can find it in the shops anymore. But you can find all sorts of spins to it. Like, you can find things similar to this which have these pegs, and where you can wrap around with it, and as you go around the pegs, you basically take every loop around. There are about 4 loops, and you throw one into the other, and it should work out quite well. And that's the only thing you need to do to make a cord like this. And a hook, this one is called hook as well, could be purchased with looms, and because it's very good for getting that string or yarn and flip it over like that, like so, and should make a cord like this, which makes your loops look professional, your strings look professionally made. And as you can see, it looks as genuine, manufactured. It doesn't look like it's handmade, but it's all handmade, all done by hand. And it's not hard to do, it's easy. And which I also like, when you do a Baktus like this, you can do like a knot for both strings, both pieces, both strings, so it looks more finished, more designer-esque. And you can also use it something like this, triangular shape like this. You can make even things like pareo, especially if it's not made of wool. This one in particular is made with acrylic yarn, so it will keep you warmer in the winter. But at the same time, obviously if it's for a beach wear like pareo, it would look nicely. It will not make you sweat too much. It doesn't keep you warm so much, so, and you can wear it around your waist, around your hips, with your bikini. So something like this would be a lovely pareo as well. So thank you very much for watching and subscribing. Please leave comments below, and please give me your likes, and thank you very much for watching and subscribing to my channel, Anna Vanila Arts. Don't forget to watch my main channel, Anna Vanila, and there I'm doing videos with myself, having fun with the camera most of the time, so don't take me too seriously. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Love you lots. Bye.